ECG-926 is one high-quality smart 4G Volt fixed wireless phone desktop Android phone. Advanced communication features. The new design's ECG-926 offers 4G LTE connectivity, enabling seamless video calls and high-speed internet access. This feature is ideal for users who want to stay connected with family and friends remotely. Large and intuitive display. The device features a 10-inch large touch screen, making it easy to navigate and use. This is particularly suitable for users who prefer a more immersive experience, such as elderly users, who may have difficulty with smaller screens. High-performance hardware. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM, the ECG-926 provides smooth performance and efficient multitasking capabilities. This feature is ideal for users who want to run multiple applications simultaneously without lag. Long-lasting battery life. The device comes with an 8,000 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage without the need for frequent recharging. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who want to use the device for extended periods without interruptions. Multi-language support. The ECG-926 supports multiple languages, making it accessible to users from diverse linguistic backgrounds. This feature is ideal for users who want to communicate with family and friends who speak different languages. Established in 2009, Shenzhen Eastline Communication Tech Company Limited, here we call Eastline in short name, is committed to becoming the most popular provider of telecom devices and OEM services for consumers in global markets. Eastline is a high-tech enterprise specialized in research and development, R&D, manufacturing, marketing and engineering service of communication devices and electronic products.